Hi friends, good morning. This is Miss Tamra. I wanted to share with you guys how to use a visual recipe and to make something called a yogurt parfait. So this will be a cooking project, a little cooking project, and you can do this at home. So the recipe is like directions for how to make something. So at the top it says yogurt parfait. Parfait is like a layered dessert or a layered food. Kind of mix it up together if you want. But this is yogurt parfait, and this is something you could eat for breakfast or for a snack, and Miss Gay makes this for us sometimes. So in the yogurt parfait, see the picture here? This word is cereal, but this is a visual recipe, so we could just do this just with the pictures. Those are some cereals. Down here it says berries. Now this picture is for blueberries, but that could be any kind of berries, and it could also be any kind of fruit. And this says yogurt, and this is pictures. Maybe you have these kind of yogurts in your fridge, different kinds. We buy them at the store. So there's a couple different kinds, and mine actually looks different than that. So, you know, there's different kinds of yogurts, there's different kind of berries, and a berry is a type of fruit. And then there's different kinds of cereal. So I'm using this as directions for how to make a yogurt parfait. So the first thing it said was cereal. Now my cereal's not in a box. I have it in this crock. Kind of hard to see. It's in a crock. So I'm going to take the lid off. It's kind of sealed shut. And I'm going to use a spoon. Now there was no numbers on that, so you can use as much as you want. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to do 3 scoops of cereal. I'm going to keep my spoon because I'm going to want it later. 3 scoops of cereal. See that? And this kind of cereal is called granola. This is a granola cereal that I made probably a couple weeks ago, but it's still good. It stores in my little crock. See, this is a little crock that I store it in. It's like a container, little crock. So I have 3 scoops of cereal. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be a whole bunch. Depends on how hungry you are. So I'm going to go back to our recipe. So we did cereal. What's next? So it has a picture of blueberries. It says berries. We could use any kind of fruit. So some of the fruits we could use, maybe you have bananas at your house. Maybe you like bananas, and you could cut up bananas and put in there instead of berries. Maybe you, what is this? Oh, this is a nectarine. It's a white nectarine we got at the store. So you could have a grown-up cut that up for you. And I'm going to show you, this is a really interesting fruit. Have you seen these before? Isn't this interesting? Do you know what that is? The word for that is fig. This is a fig fruit. I cut it open so I could show you what it looks like. Isn't that funny? So that's not a berry, that's a fruit, but a berry is a type of fruit. And these are in the stores right now, so maybe you want to get some of those. Maybe you want to try them. They're really sweet. Not everybody likes them. Some people do. And this is a berry that was outside in my house. This is a strawberry. So pretty, isn't it? It's very nice and red. So for my yogurt parfait for berries, I went outside this morning and I found this strawberry, the really nice one, but it needs to be cut up. And then I found these. I have some little strawberries and some little blackberries. And I was looking for blueberries, but we're all out of blueberries right now. So it doesn't matter. You can use any kind. So I'm just going to dump these in, and I'll use those. Okay. So we had cereal and our berries. Cereal and our berries is in our bowl. What's left? Down at the bottom, yogurt. Yogurt. And these are individual containers. We have some of those, but what I'm going to use is this. This is a big container. See that? It's a big container of just plain yogurt. And I'm going to do 1. I'm going to do 2 scoops of yogurt on there. And then I'm going to put my spoon in there because I'm going to need something to eat it with, right? I need a spoon. So I did 3 scoops of granola. I did 2 scoops of yogurt. It doesn't matter how much. It just depends on what you like. So I want lots of cereal, a little bit of yogurt. You see what that looks like? There you go. And that's my yogurt parfait using our recipe. So you can think about things that you like to cook, things that you like to eat, and maybe you and your grown-ups can make a visual recipe that are directions for how to make that. And you can share it and talk about it. All right. Bye, friends. Thank you. Bye.